Hello guys, it's Gallium Gaming and today we are going to see the Truck Simulator 18. And before watching the video, hit the like button and share and subscribe for more videos. And we have a gift option here, watch and earn gift. Okay, I don't have time, and let's go for garage. And I have this truck, and it's very good, and I have painted it in red and it looks very daring in red. Okay, we have many trucks in this game also. Okay, and we have an Mercedes Benz also. I will make videos on next videos about these three trucks. The last truck is also a very good truck. This is the last truck I would be making in the series 2. This would be very nice. And go for drivers, and we can also hire the drivers. We have 4 drivers here. And also let's go for a company. I have a Gallium Gaming, I have a ranking 0. Okay, let's go for job and go for the global. We have 8.15 minutes time, and let's play the game. So I would be stopping the commentary after explaining all the features in the games, and I will be talking in the center also. So guys, we have a good graphics on here, and I have a rear mirror on the top right bottom, bottom. So we have 3 gears: drive, park and reverse, and auto drive system. What's this? We have a gas to move, front and brakes and indicators and lights. Oh, we have extra dark and dark also, and this is an walkie-talkie. Okay, the kilometer, this speedometer, and the wipers. Let's go inside the driver's seat, and okay, the wipers and the horn with horn and indicate. Oh, it's not showing in the front. Let's go back. Yeah, we have a 360-degree yeah, the indicators and the warning indicators and the turnings. We can change the turnings and settings in the steering, or the button for a tilt controls, and let's take the carriage and go on to our way. Okay, we're going on.
Let's get started.
Okay.
Drive safe.
We have the navigation. Okay, the navigation talks also in this. They have the navigation system inside. Let's go.
Turn left.
I have to pee.
Continue straight. Turn right. Exit right. Continue straight. Continue straight. Continue straight. Turn left. Turn right. Continue straight.
We are now heading straight for our destination, guys, and I have 15 seconds in my hand to reach the destination. It can be very easy to me. And let's go. Oh my god, full delivery, normal day. Okay, let's go for normal. And What's this? Hey, get open the post. Open the gate. It's not opening. Open. God. Open it. Let's go, friend. Yeah, it has opened. Let's go fast. Let's park here. Okay. Yeah, we have parked. And delivery time is minus 26. It's equals to $26. And one penalty 50 minus $50. It doesn't. If you like this video, do a like and a share for your friends, and also subscribe for more videos. And this Sunday I would be making a video again with a YouTuber. And thank you for watching this video, guys.